Imagine this, an alert comes in. Something's happening at a nearby junction. With FlightOps, launching a drone is super simple and safe. I open the app, select Add Mission, choose Target Tracking, and click the area I want to monitor. I confirm, and the mission is instantly created. From the Remote Presence window, I hit Enable. The drone automatically calculates its route, takes off, and locks its camera and gimbal on the exact point I selected. That's it, just a few clicks, and the mission is live. No hassle, no complexity. It's that simple. Now that we're observing the point of interest, you might be asking, how do I adjust my view? With FlightOps, it's easy and safe. Using simple drag-and-drop controls, you can move the camera view with one click, and it will instantly follow to the new location. Or, if you need to move the drone itself, just click, and it will smoothly fly to the new spot. Adjust the heading by left-clicking and dragging. That's all it takes. And don't worry, our system ensures you're protected from flying into no-fly zones or outside the perimeter, making your operation both effortless and secure.